Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camp stoves for car camping available on the market right now. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or preparing for an emergency, these stoves offer practical solutions for your outdoor cooking needs. I've carefully chosen these based on their performance, design, versatility, and user feedback, and ranked them from budget-friendly to premium picks. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. All right, let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5 is the Twoburner Twoburner Foldable Camping Stove with Griddle. This product stands out with its unique dual-function griddle that offers both textured and smooth surfaces, making it versatile for cooking steaks, eggs, or even cheese sandwiches. The spacious cooking area accommodates 2 10-inch pans, making it ideal for family meals or group outings. With dual burners delivering a total of 10,000 BTUs, it provides reliable heat and efficient cooking performance. Design-wise, the Twoburner stove is compact and foldable, measuring just 10.2 inches by 9 inches when packed down. It also includes a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to transport for camping, tailgating, or hiking trips. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the windproof design adds reliability in unpredictable outdoor conditions. The push-button ignition system means no fumbling with matches, and the adjustable heat controls offer precision. At number 4, we have the camping stove by WLSJL. This 2-burner propane stove offers an impressive combined output of 17,000 BTUs, allowing you to boil water in just 3 minutes or sear steak in 2 minutes. Each burner is independently controlled, giving you the flexibility to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. The stove's spacious design accommodates pots up to 9 inches in diameter, making it versatile for various cooking styles. What sets this stove apart is its portability. It collapses into a compact size and features a built-in handle for easy transport, weighing just 5.5 pounds. It also includes thoughtful extras like a windscreen, a 40-inch gas connector, and a grill pan, making it a comprehensive cooking kit for car camping, tailgating, or even emergencies. The upgraded one-handed ignition system is a game changer, allowing you to light the burners quickly and safely without matches. However, while the stove's lightweight design is convenient, its smaller cooking surface may feel limiting for larger families or more elaborate meals. Additionally, the non-slip foot pads ensure stability, but some users noted that they could be tricky to set up on uneven terrain. Overall, the WLSJL stove is a great choice for campers who prioritize portability and quick setup, making it an excellent mid-range option. At number 3 is the Cuffyard Propane 2-burner camping stove. This stove delivers a robust 17,000 BTUs of heat, split evenly between 2 adjustable burners, making it perfect for versatile cooking, whether you're simmering sauces or grilling burgers. The well-thought-out design accommodates 2 10-inch frying pans simultaneously, giving you plenty of space to whip up meals for the whole family. One of the standout features here is the foldable hexagonal design, which packs down compactly and fits neatly into the included carry bag. It's lightweight yet durable, with a high-temperature-resistant steel body and stainless steel burners built to last. The built-in igniters on each side mean you don't need additional tools to get started, while the removable stove rack simplifies cleanup after a long day outdoors. While the Cuffyard stove offers excellent performance, it does lack wind guards, which can make cooking in breezy conditions a bit challenging. Additionally, some users may prefer a higher BTU output for faster heating. Nevertheless, its portability, ease of use, and solid construction make it a reliable option for car campers looking for a balance of power and convenience. Taking the number 2 spot is the budget-friendly FireMaple Fixed Star 1 camping stove system. Priced at just $49.95, this stove offers remarkable efficiency with its industry-leading heat exchange technology that minimizes wind impact, boiling water 30% faster than traditional backpacking stoves. The integrated 1-liter cooking pot and stove unit make it compact and easy to use, with all accessories fitting neatly inside the pot for ultimate portability. Weighing only 18 ounces, This stove is perfect for minimalist campers or hikers. The hard anodized aluminum construction is both lightweight and durable, while the piezo electric igniter ensures hassle-free startup. The locking stainless steel handle and neoprene cover on the pot provide safety and comfort during use, making this a reliable choice for outdoor cooking. However, keep in mind that it's not compatible with Coleman fuel canisters, and performance is best with a windscreen in breezy conditions. The FireMaple is ideal for solo travelers or anyone seeking an affordable, compact solution for car camping or emergency preparedness. While it's not designed for heavy-duty cooking, its portability and efficiency make it an unbeatable value for its price. And finally, at the #1 spot is the Coleman Triton Twoburner propane stove. This premium stove is the ultimate choice for car campers who demand power, durability, and versatility. With a whopping 22,000 BTUs of cooking power, split between two independently adjustable burners, it's capable of handling everything from simmering delicate sauces to searing steaks. The improved knob rotation provides precise temperature control, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection. The Triton stove features wind guards on both sides to protect the burners from gusts, making it highly reliable in outdoor conditions. Its durable chrome-plated grate is removable for easy cleaning, while the heavy-duty latch keeps the stove securely closed during transport. The spacious design accommodates a 12-inch and 10-inch pan side by side, making it perfect for larger meals or group cooking. While the Coleman Triton is the priciest option on this list, its performance and build quality justify the investment. It's slightly heavier at 5 pounds, but the portability and robust features make it the best choice for campers who want a premium stove that can handle extended trips and heavy-duty cooking tasks. If you're looking for reliability and top-tier performance, the Triton is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best camp stove for your next adventure. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.